Happy morning.
Morning,
Happy morning to
teacher.
everyone. Everyone, sit properly
Morning,
first.
teacher. Good morning,
Happy morning here. Okay. Yes, everyone. Have you had your lunch, breakfast? Yes, everyone.
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Very good. Yes, very good,
No,
Nana.
teacher.
Yes, here. Very good. Yes, Banu Ramchandra, just change the name.
No, teacher.
Change the name. Okay, very good. Here I'm seeing many smiley faces. Very happy to see you all with a smile. Okay. Yes, anyone can tell. Just raise the hand. Okay, just raise the hand, Nana. I'll give permission to mute you. Unmute. Give a chance to unmute. You just. Yes, anyone can explain about our last class? Anyone want to explain? Anyone? No one? Yes, everyone just close your books first. No need to open your textbooks, Nana. Yes, everyone should watch your phone. Yes, everyone. I want to see your book faces, not your books. Okay? Okay, very good. Yes, everyone just close your eyes for 1 minute. Yes, everyone. Yes, everyone sit properly and close your eyes. Close your eyes, everyone. Yes, everyone close your eyes, sit properly, just pull your hands, whatever you can do, you just, okay, very good, yes, very good, yes, everyone are very good, very good. Okay, yes, very good. Loki Krishna, he is doing meditation, it's very good. Okay, Virat Vaibhav, what I told you to close your eyes. Virat Vaibhav, just sit properly and close your eyes for some time. And Vaishnavi, Tegela, just on your video, Nana. Everyone, for some time, just close your eyes. Deepti, don't open your eyes. If you'll open your eyes, you'll become very bad girl. Yes, everyone, those who will open. ఎవరైతే ఐస్ ఓపెన్ చేసి చూస్తారో నన్ను వాళ్ళందరూ బ్యాడ్ గర్ల్స్ బ్యాడ్ బాయ్స్ ఫర్ సమ్ టైమ్ జస్ట్ క్లోజ్ యువర్ ఐస్ close your eyes. Yes, Virat. Yes, Gatra Tanmay, she became very bad girl. Okay, now she is good girl. Gatra is good girl. Okay, very good, very good. Yes, and now you can open your eyes now. You can open your eyes. Yes, you can open, you know. Yes, everyone, you can open. Okay, very good. Yes, very good. I want to give claps for everyone, those who did very well. Okay, yes, very good. ఎవరైతే నేను చెప్పిన వర్క్ చేశారో వాళ్ళు చాలా వెరీ గుడ్ అన్నమాట. ఓకే, yes, now who want to explain about our last class? Who want? You decide, you just for take 1 minute and you just revise your last class. After I want some information because I'm also a human being, no? Yes, in yesterday class I have forgotten what we discussed. నేను మర్చిపోయాను లాస్ట్ మనం ఏం డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాము. మీరు నాకు ఒకసారి చెప్తే మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు మనం నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ ఏంటి అని నేను చెప్తాను. Yes, anyone, just raise your hand. I'll give chance to unmute. Okay, Avinash. See. Yes, Loki Krishna. Loki Krishna, you can unmute and you can speak.
Madam.
Yes, Avinash.
External organ. Internal organ.
Yes, Avinash.
మేడం లోకి కృష్ణ మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు.
అవును, నాకు వినపడదు. Okay, okay.
Hello?
Yes, Loki Krishna, just tell me, Nana, what we discussed in last class?
External organ. Internal organ.
Yes, very good, very good, very good. Yes, everyone just give a big claps for him. Yes, everyone. Very good. He remembered last class. Okay, yes. After that, I'll give just Loki Krishna, mute yourself, Nana. Yes, next, Avinash. You can unmute. What did you remember about last class? You can share with us.
Teacher.
Yes, Nana. Yes, Avinash. Avinash.
ఈరోజు నిన్న ఇంటర్నల్ ఆర్గన్
Yes. Yes, Nana. You can tell me. Yes. Sriram, do you want? Okay. Sriram, you can unmute.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. What we discussed in last class?
Organs, outer organs.
Not exactly. Not. Okay. Yes. Who want? Okay. Yes. Deepthi, do you want? Okay, some members they are joining now. Yes, Deepthi, you can unmute. Deepthi, you can unmute, Nana. Yes. Yes, Deepthi.
Yes, teacher.
Deepthi, you can unmute.
Yes, teacher.
చెప్పు, నిన్న క్లాస్ లో ఏం డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం మనము? నిన్న క్లాస్ లో ఏం డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాము? ఎక్స్టర్నల్, ఇంకేంటి? నేను చెప్తాను అది, సరేనా? ఓకే, నువ్వు మ్యూట్ చేసేసుకోనన్నా. ఓకే ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. Okay, we will start our class. Yes, in last class, what we discussed means body organs. Okay, I told you, yes, this is our body. Yes, everyone, are you? Yes, this is our body. Yes, we know we are human beings. Okay, yes, this is the body. In this body, we have many organs like our fingers. మన హ్యాండ్ 2 hands కి ఎన్ని ఫింగర్స్ ఉన్నాయో అన్ని బాడీ పార్ట్స్ మన బాడీలో ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ అవర్ బాడీ. అండ్ ఇన్ అ బాడీ we have 2 types of organs. Okay, one is external organs and one is internal organs. 2 types of organs are present in our body. మన బాడీలో 2 types of organs ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, one is external and one is internal. External means what? External means what? Means external organs are nothing but which we can touch and which we can see, like our hands, like our neck, like our lips, like our nose, hairs, ears, everything. These all organs are called external organs. Okay, yes, everyone, are you clear? I hope everyone got the meaning of external organs. మనమే బయట నుంచి చూసేవి, మనం బయట నుంచి టచ్ చేసి పట్టుకొని దాన్ని ఫీల్ అయ్యే ఆర్గన్స్ ని ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఆర్గన్స్ అని అంటారు. ఎస్ ఎవ్రీవన్, ఆర్ యు క్లియర్? ఐ హోప్ everyone got the yesterday class. Yes, everyone. If you got yesterday class, you just raise your hands now. No one. ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఇంటర్నల్. ఎక్స్ EXX అంటే మనం చూసేవి, మనం టచ్ చేసి ఆర్గన్స్ ని ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఆర్గన్స్ అంటాం. ఓకే, అండ్ ఇంటర్నల్ ఆర్గన్స్. Internal organs means these organs we cannot touch, and we cannot see also. Okay, what we have, that type of organs are there in our body, but never we did not learn about these organs. ఇప్పటివరకు మనకు తెలుసు కొన్ని ఆర్గన్స్ ఉన్నాయని, కాకపోతే వేదశ్రీ డోంట్ టాక్, జస్ట్ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ ఆన్ అవర్ క్లాస్. ఓకే, ఇంటర్నల్ ఆర్గన్స్ ఉంటాయి అని మనకి తెలీదు, అంటే మన బాడీలో ఉంటాయని తెలుసు కానీ మనం చదువుకోలేదు ఎప్పుడు. అందుకే దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆర్ ఇన్ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ we discussed about our special organs, sense organs. Okay, now we are going to learn about in 4th class of my body organs. Okay, my body organs means my body organs, mana body organs lo any types unnai. One is external and one is internal organ. Yes, everyone, are you clear about this? Anisha, Minisha on your video, Pavani Lakshmi on your video first, Saditya, everyone. I want to see everyone face, Nana. Yogendra, you also just on your videos. Adipti, just to concentrate on our class. Okay, let's see something about our internal organs. Okay, yes.
External organs are that organs or parts which we can see with our eyes, and sense organ is also a part of external organs. Now, internal organs. Let us have a look on some internal organs. Some parts of our body cannot be seen from the outside. They are inside our body. Such parts are called internal organs. Okay.
Yes. Here, internal organs. Yes, just now I have explained that external organs means which we can see with our eyes and which we can touch from outside. That is called external organs. And internal organs means which we cannot touch and which we cannot see. Okay, which
Our first is
here in yesterday class already we discussed about what are external organs. In last class I have given to you draw the 5 external organs and I have asked you to write 3 activities of each diagram. Yes, did I? Cheppan kada? Yes, ade cheppan kada? Yes or no?
brain,
Is everyone? Okay, good. Sriram, don't open any books, Nana. Okay, we have a less time. Just listen carefully. Don't write anything. I'll give time to write afterwards also. Okay. Now we are going to learn what are internal organs. Okay. What are internal organs? Yes, everyone. Just sit silently. Today we will complete our this topic. Okay. See.
Lungs, stomach, liver, and kidney.
Kidney. With our hands. That's why we will call these all organs are called internal organs. Internal. Just concentrate on class. Asra, sit properly first. Krishnaja, you also sit properly, Nana. Just. Yes, I hope everyone got the meaning of internal and external organs. Yes, everyone? Yes, everyone. If you clear with what are external and what are internal organs, you can raise your hand. On the screen, it's okay. If you don't know on the screen, you can show like this. Pranit Verma, sit properly first. Yes, Anisha, Minisha, Shailender, I want to see everyone face. Nivas, sit properly. Okay, yes, everyone, are you clear about yesterday and today's class? Yes, everyone. Yes, everyone. Why? Because tomorrow we have only one class. After that, on Saturday, we have again our weekly test. Okay. అందుకే చెప్తున్నాను అన్నమాట అందరికీ అర్థమైతే ఇట్స్ గుడ్. If you have any doubts according to our yesterday and today's class, you can ask me in tomorrow's class. Okay. Again, we have a class on tomorrow, and on Saturday we have test. Okay. Yes. Everyone, are you clear about yesterday and today's topic? What are organs and what are internal and what are external? Deepti, listen carefully, Nana. Yes, external. EXTERNAL. Yes, on a Saturday class, I will give missing letters in test. That's why I am telling you to write hard words. Hard words from, I will send your homework in WhatsApp. Okay. You just write the hard words and practice the hard words with the spellings. Okay. On Saturday test, I want to give more than 25 questions. Okay. That's why I am telling you to read first lesson. First, I am learning paragraphs. I will send your homework in WhatsApp. Yes. Yes. Anyone have any doubts? No? If you have, you can raise your hands. I'll give chance to unmute. Dipti, do you have any doubt? Yes, you can unmute.
Teacher,
Do you have doubt? Sukrut. ఓకే దీప్తి క్లాస్ అర్థమైందా అని అడుగుతున్నాను. అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకొని చెప్పు.
టీచర్
అన్మ్యూట్ చేయి. చెప్పు నాన్న.
టీచర్ టీచర్ మీకు
yes దీప్తి
అలా చెప్పిండుగా టీచర్. ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఆర్గన్స్ చెప్పిండుగా టీచర్, ఆమెకు అర్థం కాలేదంట, ఒకసారి చెప్తే.
ఓకే ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఆర్గన్స్ అండి, ఇంటర్నల్ ఆర్గన్సా? ఎక్స్టర్నల్ మీరు అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి, నేను మీకు ఛాన్స్ ఇచ్చాను, చెప్పండి.
ఏది అర్థం కాలే టీచర్? ఈరోజు చెప్పిందంట.
ఈరోజు చెప్పిందా? సరే, ఈరోజు నేను ఏం చెప్పాను అంటే నిన్న ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఆర్గన్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం కదా, ఇంకొక టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్గన్స్ మిగిలిపోయాయి, దట్ ఈస్ ఇంటర్నల్ ఆర్గన్స్. ఇంటర్నల్ ఆర్గన్స్ అంటే మన లోపల ఉండే ఆర్గన్స్ ని ఇంటర్నల్ అంటారు. ఇంటర్నల్ అంటే లోపల ఉండే ఆర్గన్స్ ని ఇంటర్నల్ అంటారు. ఆ ఇంటర్నల్ ఆర్గన్స్ ఎందుకు ఇంటర్నల్ ఆర్గన్స్ అంటామంటే ఆ ఆర్గన్స్ ని మనం మన కళ్ళతో చూడలేము, మన హ్యాండ్స్ తో టచ్ చేయలేము, అంటే ముట్టుకోలేము అన్నమాట. అలాంటి ఆర్గన్స్ ని ఇంటర్నల్ ఆర్గన్స్ అంటాము. అయితే ఇక్కడ నేను ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇచ్చాను. ఎస్, జస్ట్ నౌ ఐ షోన్ యూ. Stomach, can we touch stomach, internal stomach? No. Can we touch our brain? Yes, everyone